Good morning, friends. Welcome to my channel. My name is Berenice Medina, and if you are new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. I am doing a little days in the life of a stay-at-home mom with 4 kids. So if you're interested in watching, just stay for the whole video. I am about to wash my face. I already went ahead and fed my girls. They are actually in their little playpen, just rolling around playing. And I wanted to just get the video started, so that's what I am doing. I am currently listening to
women dressing in abortion
pills.
In abortion pills.
My name is Berenice again. No, he's the cat. No!
Friends, I completely forgot to vlog in the house. Not that I did anything like spectacular, but I just completely forgot. We actually came to get some groceries. I am here with the boys, Emmanuel and Ezequiel. My husband is actually with the girls because the girls were napping. And we're gonna go do a little grocery run here at Aldi, and then we have to go to another store to get more food. Let's go. Need one. No fighting.
It's cold.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a great night.
You too.
Right? Mom, you have pink lemonade, right?
Yeah.
Senta con Mommy.
You're not gonna fit there, right? See one of those boys over here.
Wally, la la la. I hear y'all.
¿Qué dijo el lobo?
¿Cómo están? Él no quiere que los vea, que no lo vea.
Hello, eating girl. You eating girl? You eating girl?
No. No te ven a ti. No te ven a ti.
Eden has 2 little teeth.
No.
These are the 2 that I get to keep when I have custody on my weekend.
This is Emmy girl. Emmy girl has 1 little tooth coming.
Hey,
And this is Emmanuel. He has a lot of teeth. And this is Chaba Daba Daba Doo.
I have custody of these 2. The 2nd and the 4th.
The audacity.
It's the kind of chilaquiles that I don't like.
Bro, that's you.
No.
It is Sunday, October 20th. I am actually on my way to a mom's self-care coffee day that I planned. I'm currently working with an amazing brand that has missions every month. And so due to those missions, I get to set up these self-care days with other moms. This morning, we actually went to have breakfast as a family. Those are the clips that you guys saw. The girlies are so big now. They actually have... Eden has 2 teeth, 2 lower teeth, and then Emmeline has 1 little tooth coming out. But my babies have grown so much, friends. It is insane. And then the boys are amazing. They are amazing big brothers. They help so much with them, and they are the best. So, ya voy a llegar. I am 11 minutes away. So, almost there. ¿Así o más? ¿Suficiente?
Mama, ¿quieres saber cómo se le llama? I am calling the police.
I am calling the police.
¿Quieres cómo le dicen en español?
¿Cómo?
Ahora le voy a llamar a la policía. Sí, y el Peppa Pig anda mal. Que la Mary Pig es mean porque dice que ella no canta bien.
Oh, sí, le dice a la otra. She doesn't even sing that then. Good puppy.
En el nuevo solo esta poquita no a lot.
¿Tienes todavía? ¿Quién es la que guarda la comida?
Eden.
¿Tiene guardada unas veces, mamacita? ¿Tú tienes le guardadas? ¿Tú guardas tus comidas?
No les enseñen, solo a mí.
Ah,
Mamadita.
el chocho, ¿qué color tienen los ojos? No hay que ver la chuleta. Cuidado, mira.
¿Quieres dormir?
Sí, dale lo mismo, mamacita, la madre.
¿Qué te qué?
Se me subió en uno de estos.
Ready? Wants to get on the tractor. Alright, here you go. Oh, there you go. We have another one. You want to give it to who? Which one? You want to give it to her? No, there's more over there, but no, me traje estos ahorita. Don't touch your face. Ándale. So you put it on your hand like this para que no te vaya a morder los dedos. It has to be flat. This is babies. Wait. Ándale. No, el papel. Take it out.
She ate everything.
Niña,
Hungry.
pórtate bien, niña. Ya no, mamadita.
Se quería cortar la cabeza, Dios mío.
Y esa lengua. Esta lengua.
4, 3.
2, 1, cheese. Chao, la esa no que se puede caer. Ahora por la comida, Cho, please.
Yo que no le voy a dar la bandita, solo la baby.
Be nice. Ahora bien.
Y no, Aubrey, que no le voy a dar la bandita. Amén, que dice. Y también no que le voy a dar a la Jiménez, que a veces mamá se le quita.
At the park, friends. Here is chunk number 1, chunk number 2. Whew. I am tired, my back hurts. And the boys are playing. Whew. I am exhausted. Hello, baby girl. It is Thursday morning. I came with the boys to the park. Yes, Mamachita, yes. The boys actually had book club this morning, but we decided to skip it because it was gonna be about Halloween. So I brought them to the park instead, and I actually just met another homeschool mom, which is always good to find other homeschool moms. Here are the girlies. Pingiri dingi pingi. Today is Thursday. Ayer cumplieron 8 meses mis bebés. Insane. Friends, I don't even know where this vlog is going, but we are here at the Pulga. Aquí ando con Chava de Badu. And Emmanuel's right there.
No,
The girlies are chilling. And here's our other baby girl. It is October 27th. The weather is great right now. The sun is out and it's a little warm, pero todavía está bien, The girlies need to go take a nappy. Yes, they do. They need to take a nappy.
¿Qué no son estos?
Esto se llama sushi. El sushi sí se levanta con esos. ¿Quién me comparte unos palillos?
Ya, él tiene 2.
¿Me compartes? You wanna try it? ¿Cuál?
Es arroz con fish.
Miren. ¿Qué te tiene, mamadita? Baby girl.
Don't go down. You stay like that. You guys help hold it.
Look.
Be there quick.
Come on this side.
We need more with drink too.
Okay.
Wow.
I have to feed him, and then it's our turn. Ari, can you? Alright, ready?
Grab it.
Grab it. Then it's their turn.
Grab it hard, okay?
Look!
You got it?
Oh my goodness, she's so cute. A ver, una picture con las chimengues y la vaquita. Oops, sorry.